Adding headers to requests module. Earlier I used plib module to add a header in the request. Now I am trying the same thing with the requests module. This is the Python request module I am using, this URL. How can I add a header to request.post and request.get? Say I have to add foobar key in each request in the header.
From this URL. You just need to create a dict with your headers, key, value pairs where the key is the name of the header and the value is, well, the value of the pair, and pass that dict to the headers parameter on the .get or .post method. So more specific to your question.
You can also do this to set a header for all future gets for the session object, where xtest will be in all s.get calls. From this URL.
Everyone, det ser Norge. Glädjetjänstiga fortsättning.